Have you ever wondered how to grow your own sweet potatoes at home? Today, we delve into the rewarding process of cultivating store-bought sweet potatoes. Imagine the cost efficiency and the freshness of your own harvest. Stay tuned to find out how you can do it too. Before we start, gather the necessary materials. First, you'll need store-bought sweet potatoes, which will be our plant source. Next, potting soil to provide nutrients, water for hydration, and a container or pot for planting. With these materials in hand, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, prepare your sweet potato. Begin by giving it a thorough clean, washing off any dirt. Then slice it carefully into 2 halves. The crucial part comes next, allowing it to dry for a few days. Once your sweet potato is dry, you're ready to plant. Planting your sweet potato is easy and straightforward. Let's get our hands dirty, shall we? Begin by filling your chosen container with nutrient-rich potting soil. Once that's ready, gently place your prepared sweet potato cut side down into the soil. Now cover it with more soil until it's completely hidden from sight. Don't forget the final step, watering. Give it a thorough soaking, ensuring the water reaches the bottom of the container. After planting, all you need to do is wait and take care of your sweet potato plant. Now let's talk about aftercare and harvesting. Once planted, your sweet potatoes need consistent watering without making them waterlogged. They also love a good amount of sunlight. Look out for signs of growth like sprouting leaves. After about 4 months, you should see your sweet potatoes ready to harvest. Simply dig around the plant carefully to unearth your homegrown tubers. Remember, patience is key in gardening. With proper care, you'll have your homegrown sweet potatoes in no time. Growing sweet potatoes at home is simple and rewarding. From preparation to harvest, each step is a delightful journey, promising health and self-sufficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Happy gardening!